welcome to a tutorial on how to build your website portfolio. This is where we will put all our work from design, and later on you'll probably be adding stuff from math and science and stuff. So you'll have a name of it, and you'll have a home page, and then you'll have one for each of your classes that you have. I'm just going to show you how to set that up. Go to Google Sites. There's a lot of ways to start a new, you can go to your drive and say new site. We're going to start a blank site. We're going to title it up here. So click up here and put your first and last name. I'll put Matt McEwen, website portfolio. Okay. All right. Now this is the home page. You can kind of change it to what you want. You can call it your design, or it could be your corporation, or it could be your business name. I'm going to call mine M and Matthew McEwen, or McEwen Inc. or whatever. So maybe ask your teacher if this is a good name, or designs or whatever. You can come up with your company name. It's kind of like your name, and you can change this at any time, but we're going to call it that. All right. So now we've got our home page. We're going to add some other pages. So I'm going to click over here where it says page, and you can see there's a home page. Down here there's a plus. We're going to add design because it's the most important class you have. So click done, and that'll add design up here. We're going to click add math. We're going to add science, I think. We're going to add integrated humanities. Okay, we're going to add PHE for PE. We're going to add what else we have? We have let's put arts here, and I'll show you how we can add all the different arts. Under the word arts, we can, under where it says arts, you can add a sub-page. So we're going to add a little sub-page, and that's going to be like art. And then we'll add another sub-page here called drama. Bring the drama. And we'll do one more sub-page for music. Okay? I think you might have, like, maybe if you have Spanish, if you have Islamic studies. If you have it, then go ahead and add anything else in there. And then we have one called ATL Reflections. We'll just push that in there. Okay. And if you want to organize these, you can just grab this. Like, I want this to be here. That's my cat. Okay, so there we go. And if you want, you can add one called About Me. I don't know if that's going to be one, but so you can see I have all of them over here. So now that we added the pages, we can actually click on them. There's McEwen Inc. Here's my design page. You can change the image of the background, and that might be important later on when we design stuff. But let's go ahead and click Insert, and we're going to click this layout here and drop that in. Now we're going to put our Scratch Stories. We're going to put that there, and we're going to click on this little plus here. Boop. And we're going to go from Drive. And over here you can see you're starting to search your drive. And what you're looking for is your Scratch Story portfolio. And I clicked on Recent because we've been looking at them. Or you can search for McEwen Scratch Grade 6. Let's see if that comes up. There's Sean McEwen's. There's my old one. Oh, here it is, right here. I'm going to click that. It's going to place it in here. And I like that I've put a picture of my Scratch Story, my name's on it, and I actually have the link there. Okay, and then I'm going to write my reflection. And I should reflect on an ATL and what I learned in the unit, in the project. Okay, so talk about a little bit of reflection here in this little paragraph there, and that takes care of it. When you're done, you can click the Publish button. The first time you do it, it'll ask you what your site is, and you're just going to go ahead and click publish. All right. If you see there's a little down arrow, anytime I make changes here, I'm going to have to publish it again so that it sends the updates or the edits I've made to the website. If I click on this down arrow, I can actually view the published site. And this is the one I want to share, you'll want to share with your teacher. And you can see there's my design, here's my home, and if I wanted to, I can add some things. So you look on my one that I've done quite a bit, you can see if I click on design, I've got all the units all the projects I've done over the years in this, and this will become a place to put things for math and science and all these other classes so that you can keep it for forever and share it with people that you care about. Okay, so on my home page, which is this first one, if there's things that you would like to just put in, you can see here some of my design work. So if you have some favorite things like just pictures or JPEGs, you can always do that very easily by just adding in additional posts. Okay? You can see here on this page, I've been pulling in just pictures, or I'm bringing in these and I'm just uploading pictures of some Illustrator work, or from some picture of my stories I made in the past, etc. Okay? Thank you. Have fun.